May God bless you. May God bless you. Ready? Ready?
Okay.
It's a difficult thing. It's not easy.
ಸಾಕು. శర్మ గారు ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసు కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసు కదా.
Okay.
Only green.
రెండు. Hey, don't eat like this. Why are you eating like this?
ಮಗಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಡಿ ಅಂಗುಳಿ ಬೇಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರು ಉಳಿದಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ
Hey, don't eat like this. I don't like it.
ಕಾಯ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡ
Oh, you applied something.
గురుజీ సోఫా పోయింది ఒక నిమిషం
Oh, Govinda. 2 to 3.
We washed it yeah, today morning.
Floor.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಡಿಯೋಣ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಆದ್ರಿ.
ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ತಾನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪಪ್ಪು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ
ಸಾಕು ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೋಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒದಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು